Welcome to UVA. We are so excited that you're interested in our program. We can't wait to learn more about each of you. With this short video, we hope to share a little bit about why we love the UVA Internal Medicine Residency program.
Education is the lifeblood of the medicine department here at UVA. We're really proud of our medical education. Our faculty are fiercely dedicated but still approachable. Our residents are passionate teachers as well as devoted clinicians, and our medical students are a key part of the care team. We're collectively committed to delivering excellent patient care while encouraging personalized professional growth among each member of our team and having fun while doing it.
What I love about the UVA Internal Medicine program is its commitment to wellness and balance. The program not only prioritizes rigorous training, but values your well-being as an individual. We make an active effort to support your career goals as well as your personal goals. UVA allows for a tailored residency experience, whatever your particular area of interest. This lets residents feel prepared for the next step in their careers at the end of their residency training, while still ensuring that residents become excellent general internists. I think that this blend of professional growth and individuality makes UVA a really special place.
UVA offers exceptional clinical training, spotlighting common and rare pathologies. As a leading tertiary care center, we welcome patients from all over Virginia and beyond, enabling unique learning and care experience for complex cases. Our diverse patient population and subspecialty expertise foster ample research opportunities. Whether your aim is a research-focused career or a competitive fellowship, UVA provides mentorship for success. UVA residents engage in national conferences, publish manuscripts, and excel in fellowships nationwide after their training.
We hope you enjoyed hearing our take on why the UVA Internal Medicine program is so special. Please do not hesitate to reach out with questions you have along the way. We can't wait to meet you.